Okay, so in this today's lesson, we are going to learn about area of trapezium. So first thing we need to discover what is trapezium. Any idea, guys? Raise your hand. What is trapezium? Yeah, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four side. And what is the specialty in quadrilateral? Yeah, four sides. And what is the specialty of trapezium? Yes, Joshan. Okay, I want to know more. Anybody can say it better? Yeah, yes, Musawar. Yeah. Okay, still I need to know more. So if you see here, trapezium means it has to be four-sided, right? Out of four sides, two has to be parallel, right? So here, these two arrows are telling you this is parallel. So it is trapezium, right? Four-sided figure, quadrilateral, out of four side, if two are parallel and other two are not, or you have one pair of parallel side, then it is called trapezium. Okay, this is trapezium. And this is height. Can you see? This is height. If length of this side is top one, it is A, and length of bottom side is B, and this is height. So area of trapezium is given by, yes, anybody? Yes, sum of two parallel sides. Yeah, yeah, and one thing is missing. Yes, Mr. S, divided by 2. So see, sum of parallel side, that is sum means total. So A plus B times height and divided by 2. Is that okay? So this is what we need to do. Like one, I can show you some example. If this is trapezium, right? Can you see this is trapezium? These two sides are parallel. Now in this parallel side, if this side is given 2 and this side is given 7 and height is given 3, right? So what should be the area? So area will be, first you need to add 2 plus 7. Okay, you can directly write down 9, but I'm doing steps, and then times by height. Height is 3 and divided by 2. So if you multiply, 2 plus 7 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27, and half of 27 is 13.5. And if it is centimeter and centimeter, then area will be 13.5 centimeter square. Is that okay? Okay. So here is a trapezium where measurement of all four sides are given. You need to find area of this trapezium. Please start. Okay. So here is a quadrilateral, and quadrilateral name is trapezium. Why it is trapezium? Because there are two parallel sides. Yeah. Now we need to find area. Zoya, what is area formula of trapezium? Yeah. So which two are parallel sides are here? 6 and 10. So let's take 6 and 10. So you add 6 plus 10, okay, times by height. How much height is here? 3. Thank you. That's okay. 3 and divided by 2. 10 plus 6 is how much? Thank you. And 16 times 3 divide by 2. So there are two ways. You can multiply first and then divide, or you can divide first and multiply. I can show you both ways. So first one is you multiply first. 16 times 3 is 48. 48 divided by 2, that is 24 centimeter square. But if you don't want to multiply first, you divide first, then also you can do it. So 16 should be divided by 2. Okay. Half of 16 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24. So it's up to you the way you want to solve. Is that okay? Next question. So in this question also you need to find area. You can see there's a trapezium. Rajan, why this is trapezium? Because there are two parallel sides. Very well said. Okay. So what is area formula? Area formula 9 at 15. Okay. Times by 4, that is height, and divide by 2. Okay. So 9 plus 15 is how much? Amber, 9 plus 15. Thank you. And 24 times 4 divide by 2. Which method you will prefer, Amber? First dividing and then multiply, or first multiplying then divide? Multiply. So 24 times 4, if you multiply, how much you will get? 96. Half of 96 is what? And what will be unit? Thank you. Okay. What is other way? Other way is, see, 24 times 4 divide by 2. I'm dividing. Divide big number. 24 divided by 2 is? 24 divided by 2 is? 12. And 12 times 4 is? 48. Yeah. Choice is yours. Whatever method you feel, you take it. Whatever method you don't feel, don't take it. Yeah. But you must select one. Next question. So in this question, again, you need to find the area. So what will be your first step, Said? What is area formula, Said? Yeah. 10.8 plus 5.2 times 4.5. Yeah. And divide by 2. Okay, that's fine. So once you add 10.8 plus 5.2, Hala, what is your total? 10.8 plus 5.2. Okay, 16. 16 times 4.5 divide by 2. Okay, 16 times 4.5 divide by 2. So what? Here it is very easy. If you can cancel 16 by 2, so we got 8. Now, multiplication of 8 with 4.5, how much it is? Yes, 8 times 4.5. Yeah, yeah. Hmm? 36. So it should be 36. And what will be unit, Musawa? Centimeter square. Thank you. So this is area of trapezium. Is that okay? So this question is your practice question. Please work it out in your exercise book or whiteboard and just let me know what is your answer. Okay, Matt, tell me, what will be your first step to find out the area? Sorry, say again. Yeah, 18 plus 11. Thank you. Then times by 9. Thank you. Then divided by 2. So once you add 18 plus 11, what do you get? 18 plus 11. 29. Okay. 29 times 9 divide by 2. Okay. Now 29 times 9. How much it will be? There. 29 times 9. 261. And once you divide it by 2, how much it is? 261 divided by 2. 130.5 centimeters square. Is that okay? So everybody understood how to find area of trapezium? So you need to add sum of two parallel sides times perpendicular height and divide by 2. Okay? That's it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.